Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your full name on Kohl's account. So first we're going to go to the Kohl's app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on My Kohl's. Then again here, we're going to scroll downwards until we find My Account section. Then we're going to click on it. Then as you can see, there is your name. You're going to click on Edit. So we're going to enter your first name and your last name, which you want to change. Then once you're done, you're going to click on Save. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. You guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such a helpful shopping app, so make sure to download it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.